This seasoning is a flavor boost for any savory dip. Today we're making the all-spiced out signature dip seasoning. Stick around till the end of the video and I'll show you 6 delicious ways to use this seasoning. Start by adding 1 tablespoon of onion flakes to a mixing bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of ground smoked paprika. And add 1 tablespoon of ground garlic powder. Then add 1.5 teaspoon of dried red pepper flakes. And 1 tablespoon of salt. We use pink Himalayan salt. Add 1 tablespoon of dry onion powder. And 1.5 teaspoon of dry oregano. Then add 1.5 teaspoon of ground black pepper. And 1.5 teaspoon of dry basil. Then add 3/4 teaspoon of ground nutmeg. 3/4 teaspoon of ground coriander. And then add half a teaspoon of turmeric, and lastly 3/4 teaspoon of dry mustard. Mix all the spices really well and transfer the spice blend to an airtight container or a spice jar. If you like this video, please share it, and as I promised, here's 6 ways to use this seasoning. Add it to your favorite dip, add it to stuffed mushrooms, add it as seasoning to marinated olives, sprinkle it on pan-fried pita chips, use it as seasoning in your rice pilaf, or add it to your crustless quiche. And there you have it, our all-spiced out signature dip seasoning. I'm Bjorn and thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe.